In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Studio not working. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video with notifications turned on. And now guys, to go ahead and basically fix YouTube Studio not working, because I know a lot of you guys are having issues with this and a lot of you guys are worried. So there's nothing to really worry about, but basically YouTube Studio is having issues right now, and there are a few easy ways that you can go ahead and try to fix this. Also guys, basically, hopefully this is fixed soon, like in general, but there are a few easy ways to try to fix this. So what you could either do is update the YouTube Studio app, and once you update the YouTube Studio app, hopefully that works for you. If that does not work, you could try going on the internet version of the YouTube Studio, and hopefully that works for you. And those are the two ways that you can try to fix it. Another way, you just wait until this is fixed. Hopefully it is fixed within a few hours, because I know the issue is happening for a lot of people. So just go ahead and do one of those methods, or hopefully it gets fixed within a few hours. And that's really it, but there's nothing to worry about. That's how you go ahead and try to fix it. So hopefully this video did